Get your laughing gear around the ultimate mac and cheese. And this will blow wind up your auntie skirt. And it doesn't even have to be done on a smoker. First up, 3 strips of bacon finely diced. Don't leave home without it. 400 G's of sharp cheddar. 200 of Gruyere. Grate onto a plate. Finely dice some thyme. Fry off the bacon, then put it to one side. Bacon in. So because we don't want the emulsion of the cheese to break, we're going to use the more modern method. Sodium citrate. Juice your lemon. The reaction there, that's the CO2 bubbles coming off. Then we start off with about 300 mils of milk. If you want it to get a little bit thinner, add more milk. Half a tablespoon of curry powder. Tablespoon of custard powder. Stir the shit out of it. Pound in your cheese. Add a teaspoon of cracked pepper. And mix it through. When it sticks to the back of the spoon, you're good to go. Secret ingredient. 500 grams of macaroni elbows. Bang in a fair bit of salt. Just slightly undercook your macaroni, because no need to reserve any of the water. Crush up some CC's Doritos, these will go over the top. Ooh, she's fucking hot. Mix in your cheese sauce. A light coat of panko crumbs. Quick hit of healthier barbecue rub. Thyme. Your crispy bacon. A couple handfuls of the grated cheese you did earlier. Then your crumb CC's or Doritos. Go bang into the barbie. Battle plug is on. Sitting at about 180, 190 Celsius. Put that on until we get nice and crispy on the top. 10 minutes, fuck wet. Righto, let's wring its neck. Holy fuck.